Good morning. Let's get up and get ready to move our bodies. We're gonna do our marching song, our color song, and sing about our pizza. You ready? Let's get ready to march. It's time to start the day. It's time to start the day. It's time to give a great big cheer. And then we're on our way. Hooray! It's time to start the day. It's time to start the day. It's time to give a great big cheer. And then we're on our way. Hooray! All right, guys, shake your clothes, see what you're wearing. Oh, I got my two favorite colors on. I got some black and blue. All right, ready? If you're wearing purple today, purple today, purple today. If you're wearing purple today, stand up and shout hooray. Are you wearing purple? How about this one? If you're wearing green today, green today, green today. If you're wearing green today, stand up and shout hooray. Are you wearing any green? How about this one? If you're wearing white today, white today, white today. If you're wearing white today, stand up and shout hooray. Hey, I have white on the lettering of my shirt. Hooray! Let's get ready to do our pizza song. Let's get up, start stretching those bodies. Here we go. Get mom and dad. They're gonna pizza it up with us. Okay, ready? Gotta twist those hips. Here we go.
Let's go!
Good job, you can swing. Let's go. Here we go, trap it out.
Used to eat hot dogs every single meal. Then I got scurvy.
Ready? Eat your
That
tacos.
sounds pretty real. I used to eat tacos every single day. But then I had a pizza slice and it blew me
Ready? Eat that pizza.
You're
You're gonna get down low. And you gotta bring your legs in and out. And you gotta fly in your fake pizza.
I got cheese on my fingers.
Where are your fingers?
I got cheese on
Good, get down lower, even lower.
all the time.
Now twist it out. Good job. Sway back and forth. Woo! Pump it out.
On a pizzeria, best pie in town. You have got to try it. We're
Ready to eat
not
that pizza?
messing around. Now we're making millions, selling by the slice. We got breadsticks
Ready?
on the
Eat that
menu,
pizza.
and life is pretty nice.
Now go flying. Get down low. Bring your knees together. In and out like a butterfly.
Pizza, I got cheese
On my fingers.
and I got cheese on my fingers.
Ready?
All the time.
Twist it out. Ready to jump.
Breakfast.
It's pizza time.
Lunch.
It's pizza time.
Dinner.
It's pizza time.
3 in the morning.
It's pizza time.
Christmas.
It's pizza time.
Ohio.
It's pizza time.
Oh my gosh, my wife's going into labor.
Oh,
Every
robot
day
time.
is Pizza time. Mozzarella.
I do robot.
Pepperoni. Green
You
pepper.
do your robot. Go around your living room.
Sausage, chicken, bacon, cheese.
All right, go back to your spot. Ready?
Please.
All I eat is pizza. All right, get down low. Do the butterflies with your legs. Oh, good job. Move those arms. Good job. Cheese on my fingers. Where?
Cheese
I can't hear you. That's push it. Twist it really good. Twist it fast. Woo. That was great, guys.
Sing a song we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club. Dinosaur Stomp.
Hey Mary, what's wrong? Don't you like veggies?
Oh, I'm not so sure.
But veggies make you strong like dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs ate veggies?
You bet! Did you know that some dinosaurs ate only veggies?
Really? I had no idea. Whoa! Oh, Eep, you're an Eposaurus.
Dinosaurs have great big feet that stomp, stomp, stomp. Dinosaurs have great big teeth that chomp, chomp, chomp. Stomp, 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 and a chomp, chomp, chomp. Stomp, 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 and a chomp, chomp, chomp. Stomposaurus, stomp, stomp. Chomposaurus, chomp, chomp. I'm a saurus, stomp, stomp. You're a saurus, chomp, chomp.
Dinosaurs have great big claws that crunch, crunch, crunch.
Dinosaurs have great big jaws that munch, munch, munch. Crunch, 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 and a munch, munch, munch. Crunch, 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 and a munch, munch, munch. Crunchosaurus, crunch, crunch, munchosaurus, munch, munch. I'm a saurus, crunch, crunch. You're a saurus, munch, munch. Stomping and a chomping, crunching and a munching. Stomping and a chomping, crunching and a munching. Stomposaurus, stomp, stomp. Chomposaurus, chomp, chomp. Crunchosaurus, crunch, crunch. Munchosaurus, munch, munch. I'm a saurus, stomp, stomp. You're a saurus, chomp, chomp. We're a saurus, crunch, crunch. Dinosaurs, munch, munch. Dinosaurs have great big feet that stomp, stomp, stomp. Dinosaurs have great big teeth that chomp, chomp, chomp. Dinosaurs!
Have all you want.
Good morning, all my friends. It's so good to see you today. Happy Friday. Well, we made it through almost the whole week, but we're missing our day. What number could it be? Pete's holding on to our number right here. Pete, I think we should have them count. He thinks so too. So we're going to count all the way up to this number and see what it is. Do you know what number this is without even counting? Ooh, I know some of our friends do. All right, guys, let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our 15 is made up of a 1 and a 5. So go ahead on your calendar chart. On your calendar, you're going to write 1 and a 5. And it's the last day of our school week, guys. So do you know what day that is? Starts with an F. Oh, I hope you're getting your days of the week, but let's sing our song anyway to practice. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Ready? Repeat after me and we're going to see what day is this. Take your finger on your calendar on our 15 and drag it up. What day is it? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Stop! Friday is our day of the week that starts with the letter F. It is Friday, May 15th. Good job. All right, guys, we have a lot of fun things to do today, but let's take a look at our weather chart first. We've been doing pretty good with our weather. We're getting a lot of those sunny days, a few cloudy, one partly sunny, and only 1, 2, 3 for rainy. Pretty good. So we're looking at yesterday's weather. Yesterday's weather, right? Miss Donna does it every day, and I kind of recap every morning. Was it sunny? Was it rainy? Was it stormy? Ooh, was it thunder and lightning? Did we see any more snow? Cloudy? Or was it windy? You know, those windy days, guys, aren't terrible, too. You know what you can do on a windy day? You can get a kite. So you can always get a kite and fly a kite on those windy days. So I'm looking for a good windy day because I have a few kites that I was hoping to share with you guys. Maybe I'll take a video so that way you can see. Okay? Yesterday, it was for our sunny day. So we're so excited. When we checked in the morning, right, it was nice and sunny. So you're going to take possibly your yellow crayon or marker. I'm doing a dark one for you to be able to see. You're going to outline your rectangle. And you are going to fill in a day for sunny. Wow, guys, we're moving all the way up close to 10. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. How many more do we need to get up to 10, guys? Count your spots in your weather graph. 1, 2, 3. Wow. So we have 7 colored in, 3 not colored in. But together it makes 10. Whoa. Super cool, guys. I'm loving these sunny days. Loving these sunny days. All right. So, you know, we've been going through our life cycles this month, guys. We're learning about how plants grow. We are learning about how butterflies grow. And we are learning soon about how frogs grow, because frogs are really cool. I always love going down to a pond and picking up a few frogs or hearing them go ribbit, ribbit. It's so cool. So there's a lot of fun things that we can learn about different life cycles. Okay? So let me remind you of what we've been doing with the butterfly. Starts with the mom laying the eggs on a leaf. Then it's coming out of its egg into a caterpillar. And what does it do? It eats a ton of leaves, right? It gets nice and plump like a very hungry caterpillar. When it's nice and stuffed and it's ready, it wraps himself up in our chrysalis, our cocoon. And it stays there to digest all that food, to grow. Remember, it hangs upside down, so silly. But when it's ready, it does the butterfly dance, and it pokes his head out the bottom of it and comes out as a beautiful butterfly. And many of our butterflies, hopefully like the ones Miss Brianne is getting too, they'll be able to hatch out of their cocoon, and we'll be able to see them for a little while inside of our special butterfly nest. Because butterflies can't go flying right away, right? Because their wings are too soft. They gotta harden up in the air. So we'll be able to see all these different stages, hopefully. At least, definitely the caterpillar, the chrysalis, and the butterfly with Miss Brianne's new kit. So I'm super excited. So something else that we have been talking about, it's going to be a little bit harder to see right now, but moms and dads are able to print things out. And, you know, if you need anything, guys, let Miss Brianne know. I can give it to you. I'll drop it off at your house. So we're still working on our sequencing with 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, right? We just keep going through our sequencing. What happened first? Like what happened in the beginning of the very hungry caterpillar? They talked about a little egg that lay on a leaf, right? And then it went to the next part where the caterpillar ate everything. And then last, right, when you got to the end of the story, it was all about the beautiful butterfly that came out. So we're just thinking about step by step, guys, right? Yes. So today your activity is to look at all these different pictures about how flowers grow. Do you remember what is the first step of how flowers grow? What do you need to put into the ground? The seed, right? You got to put it down into the dirt. give it a little bit of water, and you have to put it by the sun, right? Do you remember what those little straw-like things that came out of the seed, do you remember what they're called if they suck up water? The roots that were in the ground, right? They dig down into the ground. And then when you see the picture a little bit better when you're at home, you'll be able to, make more sense. So we got the seed, the roots that go down into the ground, suck up all those water and good vitamins. And then what happens? All of a sudden that seed goes up, right? And a flower starts to come out, a new plant, right? Our little seedling. Yes. And then it grows nice and tall, right? Stem grows nice and tall and it leans towards wherever the sun is, guys. It says, I want to get nice and hot and go by the sun. If the sun's over here or the sun goes over there. Do you remember why it loves the sun so much? Yeah. Because the sun helps the plant make food and it's so hungry, like our hungry caterpillar, right? And do you remember, if you start to see flowers on a plant, do you know what that could possibly mean? There could be some fruit growing on it, like a strawberry plant. Who loves strawberries? I know, I do. So when you get your paper at home, you can always print this out. If you have trouble, you can even do it without having to print anything out, okay? But it shows pictures of how do we plant flowers and how does it grow. So give it a try with Mom and Dad. If you have a lot of trouble, let me know. But it should be really great and easy, and it's another visual, and the cut and paste is really good for their hand strength, okay? And if you don't have glue, you use tape. It's okay. All right, who's ready for our fun bee song again? Next week, we're going to do frogs. So what letter do you think we might review? Frogs. F. Ooh, get ready. We haven't done our F song in so long. But B is to 99 bottles. So let's see if you can remember Bubba's best buddy, okay? Bubba's best buddy was Bingo the bear. Bubba was Bingo's best friend. They both lived together on Blueberry Lane, picking big berries in sun and in rain. And here's Bubba and his buddy down at the bottom. Do we have any friends in our class that has B as the first letter of their name? I know one. Me, Miss Brianne. B starts the first part of my name, Brianne. I know we have another friend. Benjamin. Oh, Ben, we got 2 times around for our B friends. So we'll have to see. Maybe next week, do we have anyone that starts with the letter F? I don't know. So we'll have to see, guys. But show and tell today. I would love to see your videos or your pictures so we can guess what they are. You are going to do a show and tell of something that starts with your name. So the letter of your name. So for example, I am a B, right? So I can find something that starts with a B, like bacon, I don't know, a bush, anything that would have the B sound, because B starts my name. Like Miss Donna, Donna starts with the letter D, so she might show and tell a donkey, because the donkey is the letter D, or a donut. What letter does your name start with? You have to find something that starts with the letter of your name. I can't wait to see it. Don't forget to give us 3 clues, count back from 10, and give us a chance to answer, okay? Even if you can't see us to give us an answer, I'm sure our friends, we're all going to be shouting it out because we love show and tell. All right, guys. Have a great day. Can't wait to see everything that you have for show and tell.
Hey, how are you doing? I hope you and your family are doing great. My name is Husam. I'm going to read for you this story. It's called
It's Ramadan. Curious George.
Let's get started. A special month. George can't wait for tomorrow when the month of Ramadan will start. It's a special time of year for his friends, and George is going to take part. George and Kareem are so busy helping to cook and bake sweets. with the good little monkey joining in. Soon there is a big pile of treats. Kareem is going to try fasting. A day without food or drinks. George is curious. Can Kareem do it? He will need some help, George thinks. Day of fasting. George is asleep in his bed when Kareem's alarm starts to beep. Kareem wakes for an early meal, though the sun is still fast asleep. Later, when it's lunchtime, Kareem reaches for a piece of bread. Wait! No food until sundown. George keeps him busy instead. What's the sound George is hearing? It's a rumbling from Kareem's tummy. George drags him away from the kitchen. Whatever is cooking smells yummy. Waiting for sunset. Everyone gathers together as the sun begins to set. The minutes tick by slowly. It still is not dark enough yet. Finally, it's time to break fast. Kareem snacks on a sweet date. Then he takes a big gulp of milk as George loads more treats on his plate. I did it, George! Cheers, Kareem. George nods. He's glad to be there. The room is filled with happiness and the peaceful sounds of prayer. It's dinner time. Now it's time to eat dinner. The spread on the table looks great, with something special for everyone. This meal was well worth the wait. Look at all the great choices. Kebabs, curry, veggies, and rice. George spots a big pizza and takes a hot, cheesy slice. Now that the meal is over, the best treat has been saved for last. Chocolate-dipped bananas to celebrate Kareem's first fast. Sharing with others. Kareem invites George to the mosque. They gather to do a good deed. Together, they make food baskets to share with others in need. Wow, look at George join the action. He knows how to lend a hand. And when he spies a shelf full of shoes, George comes up with the plan. No, George, the Imam says with the laugh, those shoes belong to us. But you give me a great idea. We will add a clothes drive next year. Spotting the moon. Ramadan is almost over. The special month will end soon. George and the man search the sky to catch a glimpse of the moon. There it is. George points, he found it. A thin crescent shining bright. Tomorrow is the Eid festival, but the celebration will start tonight. Kareem gives George a gift, new clothes for Eid. He says, it's a fancy vest for George, and for the man, a yellow fez. An Eid celebration. Happy Eid, the holiday is here. The mosque is busy and loud. Everyone is dressed in their finest. What a good-looking crowd. George greets Kareem with the hug and spends the day with his friend. After hours of feasting and fun, they are sad Eid has to end. But soon it's time to go home. As the moon returns to the skies, George thinks of his first Ramadan and smiles as he closes his eyes. George is so excited. He's going to celebrate Ramadan with his friend Kareem. Together, they assemble special treats, make baskets to donate to the needy, and look for the crescent moon. Come along to celebrate this special time of year with everyone's favorite monkey and this playful book of rhymes. This is the end of the story. Thank you for listening.